Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run Kotlin code inside the IntelliJ IDEA. So first here, let's go on this IntelliJ Google search box, right there IntelliJ IDEA, then go on this jetprints.com site. Then after, let's click on this download. So this is ultimate is there. Click on accept all. Here exe file. Let's click on this download. So this here IntelliJ IDEA is now downloading. The size is 1.2 GB. So exe file is there. Now thereafter, let's open this place command prompt. Now if I search here Java version, then you can see this Java latest version 24 already in my system. So you must have JDK, then you can use the IntelliJ IDEA with Kotlin. Now if I write there Java, this working, and Java C also working. Okay, so now let's see the status. So this here 25% that's done here. Now waiting till completed. You can see this here exe file of IntelliJ IDEA download completed. Thereafter, let's click on this so in folder, and this here IntelliJ IDEA. Double click there to install this. Now here you can see this exe IDEA U, and this come from JetBrains. Let's click on yes button here, or click on next. Here this is for icon, this is for path, here this is for Java. For Kotlin, you need to select these two. Thereafter, click on next and click on install. So this here icon cat that's created, and now installing IntelliJ IDEA inside the Windows machine. So currently this is extracting the file. Completing IntelliJ IDEA, click on finish. Thereafter, let's click on this IntelliJ IDEA icon to open. Thereafter, check this, click on continue, don't send. Here, free 13 days. Click on this allow. Thereafter, let's click on this new project. There you need to select the Kotlin here, giving the name project KT. So this here you can see JDK 24 automatically this taken. Thereafter, no need to change anything. Click on this create. Default code of this Kotlin. So here let's run this code and see the output. So one main method is there. Thereafter, this is the variable. This printing here hello and variable name. Now this will print here 1 to 5. So for loop 1 I, and here start from 1, that will go till 5. This print here I value. Okay, so currently this is taking some time because this is running the first time. So now you can see this here output. So hello Kotlin, that's displaying. Now displaying the 1 to 5. Simply I'm going to print here hello world and 3 lines of code. So let's select this all, paste. So this is the 3 lines of code. Now let's click on this run. So now hello world, that's displaying. Thereafter, let's add two number by using the Kotlin. Selecting this all here, Control S to save. Now click on this run main.kt. So here the sum is 13, 10 plus 20, 13, that's displaying. So this is the most simplest way we can run Kotlin code inside IntelliJ IDEA. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.